हम पूरे उस बिल को उस एक्ट को अनकॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल मानते हैं और ये आर्टिकल 25, आर्टिकल 26, 14 और 15 और 29 का ग्रेव वायलेशन है। ये हम पहले से ही बोल के आए और आज फिर आपके सामने रिपीट कर रहा हूँ। No. See, let us be very careful. The Honorable Supreme Court, as rightly pointed out by my counsel, Mr. Nizam Pasha, the Supreme Court has said that the Central Waqf Council and the State Waqf Boards will not be constituted. Waqf by user cannot be deleted. Now, there are other provisions also which we as a party have come to the Honorable Supreme Court that calling it unconstitutional. Now, whenever it will be heard, our counsel, Mr. Nizam Pasha, on behalf of me, will be arguing it. As you know very well, that during the deliberations of the Joint Working Committee, I have given a Dyson report opposing all the amendments that were proposed by the government. And during the debate in the Parliament on the consideration or passing of that bill, I have opposed each and every amendment. I have called it unconstitutional. I still call this law as unconstitutional, as violating the fundamental rights of Article 14, 15, 25, 26 and 29. So our legal battle will continue to ensure that this act, against this act will continue. देखिए सवाल देखिए आपको पूरे उस कानून को समझने की जरूरत है। अब 5 साल का मुसलमान प्रैक्टिसिंग रहेगा, 5 साल प्रैक्टिसिंग मुसलमान का तो रहेगा। अब उसको कौन डिसाइड करेगा? अब कोई महिला है उसको कौन डिसाइड करेगा? तो ऐसे कई उसमें जो अमेंडमेंट्स के जरिए लॉ बनाया गया है, हम उसके आज भी मुखालिफत कर रहे हैं और कल भी अपोज करते रहेंगे। और लीगली हम सुप्रीम कोर्ट में चैलेंज किए, हम उसको उन तमाम चीजों को वायलेशन ऑफ द फंडामेंटल राइट्स मानते हैं। थैंक यू।
Welcome to K-Mall, a premium project by Kaleen Group. K-Mall is in the heart of Kolkata's electronic, garment and lifestyle hub, Khidirpur. K-Mall, which is designed as a world-class mall, is the outcome of endless effort of our experts, combined with modern superb techniques and new age design. Book now